We're back at it again, working on project E46 manual swap. In the last couple episodes, you know, we dropped the blown transmission, we installed the clutch pedal, we did the wire in, we installed the new 6-speed CHP transmission, but we came to a big issue where the flange for the differential is different from our manual drive shaft. We got a lot more to do. We received a new differential yesterday. I cleaned and painted it so it's all shiny and ready to go. So let me show you guys what we got to do today. We got our new pedals in. We got to tidy up these wire in, tape it up. We got this cover, this panel that we got to install. We got to install our center console back. Don't worry about this. It's all crusty right now, but I'm going to install a short throw shifter with all new boots and everything, but this is fine for now. We got to install our seat. And we got to install the clutch cylinder. Okay, we're going to install the cover under the steering wheel first. So let me show you the difference. The automatic cover doesn't have a cutout for the clutch pedal. This is a new one, which it's all dirty right now because I gotta clean it up. It has a cutout already, which you could use the OEM one and just cut it out because there's a mark right here. But this came with the transmission when I bought it, so I'm just going to use this. So I'm going to clean this up and we're going to install it. Okay, we got the cover installed. Let me show you. We got the new cover all installed. It looks all pretty. We got the side panel back in. Just a quick reminder, don't forget to plug in your trunk switch and your OBD2 and your light. So it's all back together right now. So we just gotta go put that clutch switch in. Okay, now we're gonna head down under the car to install our clutch master cylinder. So let's just get under there. Okay, our clutch cylinder goes in here, but the line for the clutch cylinder is on the back here for the clutch pedal. It came out here. So let me just put you guys down so I could install this. Okay, we got it in. I just got to tighten up the two bolts. And you could see, this is where the clutch line goes back in. So, let me just tighten this up and then we could start taking apart the differential. Alright, first thing we're going to do, we're going to drain all the differential oil out. I'm tired of being under this car. So let's get this cracked open. Ooh, that's pretty clean. I expected it to be black. That's clean. That looks like it was changed before. We just need to get the oil out because we're gonna have to take these output shafts out when we take the differential down. And that's good enough. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take these axle out, take these bolts out, so we could start taking the differential down. Okay, now I gotta take this little shield so I could get this brace down. That snapped. Got one done. And these I think are 18. Yeah, they're 18. I'll take these down. Got two 413 millimeters. Wear your PPE. Last thing you want is a handful of dust in your eyes. Okay. Now I gotta take these. There we go. I'm gonna have to wash this out. I'm not putting it back like that. It's too dirty. Now we got three bolts. Two on the front and one on the back here. I think they're all 18s. I'm not sure. Now the back one is bigger than the front. I could get the front with the impact. Let me just see if I could whack these out. Alright, that's one. That's two. Now, I'm gonna have to put the jack to support the back, and I'm gonna have to take this bolt out. Because everything else is off right now, and I'm gonna have to try to wiggle it out of this little hole that it's in right now. And it's pretty heavy. So let me get the jack, set it up, and try to take this bolt out. Try to break it with this, because it's freaking... Would this fit? There we go. That's out. Now I need the jack. I'll take this big pumpkin down. I still left the bolt in the back so it doesn't fall. But it's so heavy, man. Let me get the jack. Drop. Ow, on my fucking finger. Drop down. That's good. Alright, we got the old differential down, and you can see the difference in the flange. This one's a 6-bolt and it has this cup, and this one's flat. So we're going to install this. You already see how we take it down. It's the same process, minus crushing my finger. But I'm just going to install it and show you the end product. We got the differential all installed now. We're finally going to install the drive shaft. The manual drive shaft is shorter than the automatic. No, it's actually longer. And the flange on the end is different from the one I have. So let's get this installed. All right, where's the light? We got the new differential installed. I just gotta put the sprays back on. We got the dry shaft all installed. So I'm gonna end the video here. The next episode, we're gonna install the heat shield, put fluid inside, put the exhaust back on, and we're gonna take it for a test drive. So catch you guys in the next one.